Today I am sharing 2 fun DIY ornaments that you can make for your home using what you may already have on hand. Hey guys, Jen from the blog Noting Grace, and last week I shared my 10 favorite DIY ornaments that I had created, but I wanted to go into more detail on the 2 ornaments that I have created for our home this year. The first ornament that I'm going to show is this matte faux crushed velvet ornament with a glitter top. I probably need to come up with a better name for it, but that's kind of all that I have right now. So let me start with the supplies that you will need for this project. You will need some sort of matte acrylic based paint. This is made by Faux Art and the color is Linen Toile, which is a really nice neutral beige color. They also make a brand of chalk paint that you can also use. This color is called Castle Chateau. I have not used this year, but when I'm done with this video, I may be making some more ornaments. You will need some paintbrushes for this project. These are some leftover craft brushes that I believe came from my boys' art collection many years ago. And for the blingy top, I used glitter. This is a different type of glitter. This is called a glass glitter or German glitter. It is a larger particle type glitter and it does not stick to you like the other glitter does. I got this at Michael's. The color is vintage gold and it's the brand Recollections. So you start just by holding the ornament by the top and then you just paint. That's it. I mean, it really is super simple to do. I did use 2 coats and loved the result, but the reason why I ended up adding glitter is because I thought the ornament plain by itself was a little bit too simple. For the holidays, I wanted to have something reflect against the lights that were on the tree, so I thought it would be fun to add this glitter top. To add the glitter to the top, I used some tacky glue. At first I started squirting the glue, but after a while, squeezing that thick glue out got a little tedious, so I did switch to using a paintbrush and painted the tacky glue over the top. I poured some of the glitter into a small plastic bowl and then just dipped the glued top down into the glitter, and this is the fun result. Now the painted glitter, it really looks like crushed velvet. There's a texture to the finish, and on the tree they just look perfect. Super quick, super simple, a great project to do with friends or family or grandkids, anyone who wants to get crafty with you. This next ornament that I DIY'd, I think is my favorite Christmas DIY that I have ever done. The inspiration came from Studio McGee. I went on their website to get some holiday inspiration and was looking at their holiday collection. And this year they have a couple of new ornaments out that have a patinaed finish or an iron oxide type of finish. And they were just stunning, but they were so expensive. One ornament costs $14, and for this budget-minded mama, it just was too expensive. I can't imagine if I wanted 10 ornaments on my tree to spend $140 on ornaments when you can make something similar for yourself. Now, to get this look, I used a product made by Rust-Oleum. It is from their Modern Masters line, and it is the Metal Effects Rust finish. It can be applied to any type of surface. The top picture, that looks like those are either cardboard or wood letters, and I see a wood tray and a wood hook behind it. This is plastic, so it will adhere to a variety of surfaces. Now this is a 3-part finish, so it does take a little bit more time than the other faux crushed velvet ornaments. You start with the primer base. The primer coat has a really cool burnt orange color. You put on the first primer coat. I allowed it to dry, which for us took about 30 minutes. Then I applied that top coat of the iron oxide finish. Again, waited about 30 minutes for it to dry. Now, in the instructions, they do recommend that you use 2 coats of each finish, but I used 1 coat each, and I found the results to be really cool. So I'll leave that to your own discretion. And then you do the fun part. You spray on the activating solution. It is a light blue solution that you put a pump sprayer top onto, and you just spritz the painted finish. Some of the ornaments I spritzed once, and some of them I spritzed twice, but either way, you get a really cool looking finish. There's a bit of an iridescent sheen that comes with some of the rust finishes, and it varies with each spray. So each of the ornaments that I created, they all look a little different, which is super cool. Again, I thought that the rusted ornament looked a little bit too industrial for my tree this year, so I did the same application and added the same glitter to the top. Two new really cool ornaments for our home this year. I absolutely love how they turned out. They will go down as some of my favorite ornaments that I've ever DIY'd. And I hope that this inspires you to just add your own unique flair to your Christmas decor this season. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. Send me a DM with photos of what you created. I would love to see how your projects turned out. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that way you won't miss each video that comes out every week. Quiet on the set, trying to record.
Just call me when you're ready.
Okay, when you're ready.